Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, English Waves. I'm Anna. You know, yesterday, something funny happened to me. I went to buy coffee, and the person at the counter said, "How's it going?" And for a moment, I thought, do English learners know how to answer that question? Because learning English grammar is important, but you know what's even more important? Learning how people actually talk in real life. Today, I want to teach you the English you'll use every single day. Not textbook English, not formal business English, but real, natural conversation. The kind of English you need at the coffee shop, at the supermarket, with your neighbors, with new friends. And to help me today, I have my co-host, Ben. Ben, come say hello.
Hey everyone. Hi Anna. How's it going?
See, there it is. How's it going? That's exactly what we're learning today.
Real phrases that real people use every single day.
By the end of this episode, you'll sound more natural and confident in English.
Let's get started.
Here we go. Let's start with morning conversations. Ben, imagine we meet in the morning.
Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Ben. Did you sleep well?
Yeah, pretty good. How about you?
Not bad, but I stayed up too late watching a show.
Okay, let's break this down. What phrases did we use?
Good morning. This is how we greet people in the morning.
Did you sleep well? A common question to ask in the morning.
And I said, pretty good. This means okay, not perfect, but acceptable.
Here are more morning phrases you can use.
How are you this morning? You look tired. Did you have breakfast yet?
I need coffee. I'm still waking up. It's too early.
Those are all natural phrases.
Let's do another example. Anna, imagine you're leaving for work.
Okay. Bye, Ben. See you later.
Have a good day. Take care.
See you later means goodbye. I'll see you again soon.
Have a good day. We say this when someone is leaving.
Take care means be safe, stay well.
More leaving phrases. See you soon. Catch you later. Talk to you later.
These are friendly, casual ways to say goodbye.
Now let's go to a coffee shop. This is a very common situation.
Hi, welcome. What can I get you for today?
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure. Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything else with that? Maybe a pastry?
Yeah, I'll have a blueberry muffin too.
Great. That'll be $7.50.
Here you go.
Taking it? Thank you. Your order will be ready in just a minute.
Thanks.
Okay, let's learn from that conversation.
First, what can I get for you? This is how staff ask what you want.
You can also say, I'd like, or can I have?
Medium means middle size. Small, medium, large.
Hot or iced? Asking about temperature.
Anything else? Asking if you want more items.
That'll be, this is how they tell you the price.
More useful coffee shop phrases.
For here or to go? Eating inside or taking away?
Can I get your name? They ask for orders.
Is this seat taken? Asking if you can sit somewhere?
Do you have Wi-Fi? Where's the bathroom? Can I get a refill?
All very useful questions. Now, let's go shopping. Ben, you're the cashier.
Hi there. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thanks. Everything was easy to find.
Great! Do you have a rewards card?
No, I don't.
Would you like to sign up? It's free.
No, thanks. Maybe next time.
No problem. Paper or plastic?
Deciding. Paper, please.
Your total is $45.80.
I'll pay by card.
Just insert your card there.
Done.
Here's your receipt. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too.
So many useful phrases there.
Did you find everything okay? Common greeting from cashiers.
Rewards card, a card that gives you discounts or points.
Sign up means register or join.
Paper or plastic? Asking what type of bag you want.
More shopping phrases.
Excuse me, where can I find? Asking for location of items.
How much is this? Is this on sale? Do you have this in a different size?
Can I return this? Do you accept credit cards? Is this fresh?
When shopping for food, when does this expire? Is this organic?
These questions are very helpful.
Now let's practice casual conversations with neighbors and friends.
Hey, Anna. Fancy seeing you here.
Oh, hi, Ben. What a coincidence.
I know, right? What are you up to?
Just running some errands. You?
Same here. Hey, how's your family doing?
They're doing well. Thanks for asking. How about yours?
Everyone's good. My mom sends her regards.
Aw, that's sweet. Tell her I said hi.
I will. Hey, we should grab coffee sometime.
That sounds great. Let's do it.
Cool. Well, I better get going.
Understanding nod. Yeah, me too. Take care.
You too. See you around.
Turning to audience with excited face. Okay, that was full of casual phrases.
Explaining enthusiastically. Fancy seeing you here. Surprised to see someone unexpectedly.
Adding, what a coincidence when something happens by chance.
Gesturing. What are you up to? Means, what are you doing?
Running errands. Doing small tasks like shopping, post office, etc.
Sends her regards means sends greetings or says hello.
Tell her I said hi. Asking someone to give greetings to another person.
Grab coffee. Meet for coffee. Casual meeting.
Let's do it. Agreeing to a plan with enthusiasm.
I better get going. Polite way to say, I need to leave.
See you around.
More neighbor phrases.
How have you been? Long time no see. What have you been up to lately?
Let's hang out soon. Give me a call sometime. Keep in touch.
Now let's talk about small talk. This is very important in English culture.
Small talk?
Light, casual conversation, often about the weather, weekend plans, or general topics.
Not deep conversations, just friendly chat.
Like this. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Finally some sunshine.
I know, it's been so rainy lately.
Tell me about it. I'm so ready for summer.
See? That's small talk. Let's break it down.
Nice weather, isn't it? This is called a tag question.
We use it to start friendly conversation.
Finally, shows you've been waiting for something.
Tell me about it means I completely agree.
More weather small talk.
It's freezing out there. It's so hot today. Looks like rain.
What a beautiful day. The weather's been crazy lately. I hope it clears up.
Now, weekend small talk.
Any plans for the weekend?
Not much, just relaxing. You?
Same here. Maybe catch a movie.
Oh, that sounds fun. Which one?
See how natural that flows?
Any plans? Asking about future activities.
Not much. Means nothing special, nothing big.
Catch a movie. Casual way to say, watch a movie.
More weekend phrases.
What did you do this weekend? How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun?
It was pretty chill. Nothing special. Just hung out with friends.
Chill means relaxed, calm.
Hung out means spent time together casually.
One more important topic, compliments.
I like your shirt. That's a nice bag. Cool shoes.
Thanks, I just got it. Thank you, it was a gift.
Always say thank you for compliments.
In English culture, accept compliments gracefully.
Wow, we covered so much today.
So many useful phrases for daily life. We learned morning greetings, coffee shop conversations, supermarket talk, neighbor chats, and small talk.
All natural, real English that people use every day.
Remember, everyone, the key is practice.
Use these phrases in real situations.
Don't worry about being perfect. native speakers make mistakes too.
The important thing is to communicate.
Your homework this week? Use 3 phrases from today.
Just 3, maybe at a coffee shop or with a neighbor.
Notice how people respond. You'll sound more natural.
And you'll feel more confident.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
If this episode was helpful, please share it with friends learning English.
And subscribe. Next week, we'll teach telephone English, how to sound professional and confident on phone calls. Until then, practice your phrases.
Be brave and speak English.
Every conversation makes you better.
You've got this.
Keep practicing. See you next week.
Bye, everyone.
Take care. Goodbye.